Hi guys, this is Gan Skewb Enhanced version UV coated one. Now I going to unbox it. Before I unbox this, I would like to thank you my parents, especially father and mother who bought me this. This is the cube. Nowadays this is the best cube in the market and this is my main cube. See, this is the cube. Fast turning and very smooth. These are the other equipments. The tool to adjust the strengths, the bag, and the instructions, and finally the tutorial how to solve this cube guide. This is useful for the beginners. Okay, this is the first solve of this cube. It's 4.58. I think it's fine.